Minerals are broadly divided into two main groups: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those from which we can obtain metals: iron, gold, copper, silver, aluminium, etc. are some of the important metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals which do not contain metals: coal, mica, sulfur, potash, petroleum, etc. are some of the important non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Iron ore. Iron ore is the basis of modern civilization. It forms the foundation of industrial growth, and it is used in almost all types of machines, machine tools, construction of buildings, factories, and various means of transport. Iron is not generally used in its pure state, but in the form of its alloy steel. Hematite and magnetite are the two important iron ore minerals. Distribution of iron ore in India. Most of the iron ore mines of India are located in the states of Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Goa. About 50% of India's reserves are in Orissa. Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj are the most important mines in Orissa, whereas Singhbhaum mines in Jharkhand and Durg and Bastar mines in Chhattisgarh are also equally important. Distribution of iron ore in the world. USA, Great Lake region, Alabama state, Canada, Ontario, Quebec, Newfoundland. In Europe, Sweden, France, Russia, Ural region. Copper. Copper is a reddish-orange metal that has been widely used for more than 5,000 years. It is best known for its ability to conduct electricity. Uses of copper. It is used in electrical appliances. Copper is also a good conductor of heat, thus useful in making cooking utensils, radiators, and refrigerators. Copper is also malleable. It is also used to make alloys such as brass and bronze. Distribution of copper in the world. Chile, USA, Canada, Africa, and Russia are the major producers of copper in the world. Chile is the largest producer of copper, nearly 16% of the total world production. Distribution of copper in India. In Jharkhand, Chaibasa, Hazaribagh. In Rajasthan, Khetri are the important copper mines of India. Bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Aluminium is a light metal and is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Uses of aluminium. It is used for making utensils, spare parts of automobiles, aeroplanes, and in the shipbuilding industry. It is also used in electrical equipment industry for transmitting electricity. Distribution of bauxite in the world. Australia, Guinea, Brazil, Suriname, Russia, France are the major producers of bauxite in the world. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Distribution of bauxite in India. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra are the major producers of bauxite in India. In other states, Tamil Nadu is also an important producer.